We've got that one hooked so it can't fall out.
Yeah.
Right? Hammer it in there. You got the hammer?
Yeah. Easier said than done, I guess. There was a teeny tiny drop of oil under it, but you said it's probably just from the drain plug.
You draining the oil, probably didn't tighten the drain.
He said it's probably just from the drain plug, so that's probably 100%
I did a
right.
lot of work on this thing.
Alright, in today's video, we take the transmission out of the Nova. So it was right after we went and raced it. It was leaking oil. We've had issues with it since we started the car. But it went through our little catch can pad and everything. So took the tranny out, put a new rear main seal in it. Dad glued it in. I wasn't there for most of it. I was working. So, and then I worked on the shifter. So it's got an electric shift solenoid. Oh shit, sorry. And I had it wired. I didn't have it on a relay. Then I put it on the relay. And it's supposed to work. And I probably shouldn't have tested it when I was trying to shift at 6,800 RPM because, spoiler, it didn't work. So I still got to work on that. But that'll be in today's video. So let's get into it.
Okay, I got the flex plate. Well, you can see I dropped the tranny. Got the flex plate down. I'm just checking these bolts to see if there's any loose ones. So far, no. So far, no. Alright. I got it all cleaned off. New seal, I glued it in. Velcro gasket. Silicone the corners. Silicone all the way across the bottom. Something that I don't normally do, but I did on this one, is I silicone these bolts. Because some of these bolts actually go into the crankcase, and I literally didn't really find anything wrong with what we had. So it makes me wonder, like that bolt goes straight into the crankcase. So I don't know if it was a seal or if these bolts was leaking. They was tighter than crap. But I just went ahead and put silicone on every thread. Bam! Okay. So we're going with an SF5 flex plate. So we might as well put ARP bolts, right? I don't even know how, but I think we're high. And how do you let it off just a little?
I don't know.
Half a hole high.
Yeah.
So it just needs to come down. We've got that one hooked so it can't fall out.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. On the ground, exactly like it went in.
Oh, why'd you pick it up then?
I don't know. And Dad was not thinking, I guess.
Bit.
And just fucking hammer it in there. You got the hammer?
Easier said than done, I guess.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. Alright, so got the tranny in, got shift solenoid working. So I'm gonna drive it down the road and come back and see if this actually shifts it from first to second. So Oh shit. Well, I waited for it to shift, but it never shifted, so maybe I got something still not right. It works when I test it. All right. So went and drove the Nova. Didn't shift. I think it floated the valves a little bit. I should probably.
I don't think it flooded the valves. I think we got a rev limiter set at 73.
I probably should have set the shifter at like 5,000, but where's the fun
or
of that?
3,500.
Matt told me it says at 7,200. So
yeah. Well,
but I ran it through first and it didn't shift, and I just shifted and let off.
Yeah.
It was ripping, but it didn't. That wasn't on. That was probably on like 7 pounds of boost. It wasn't even, the boost controller wasn't on or nothing. So
yeah.
I don't know.
It sounded good.
There was a teeny tiny drop of oil under it, but you said it's probably just from the drain plug.
From you draining the oil, probably didn't tighten the drain.
He said it's probably just from the drain plug, so that's probably 100%
I did a
right.
lot of work on this thing.
Yeah. A lot of silicone, a lot of glue.
It was not gonna leak.
A lot of glue, a lot of silicone.
I don't know what you got going on. Can't be the rear main seal.
Can't be the rear main seal now.
The rear main.
So
I glued it in. So
yeah, we need to see if it leaks more, but I think
if it ain't running out, one drip here and there is just like dripping horsepower. I mean,
yeah, it's just sweating a little bit of horsepower off.
That's normal.
That's how you know it's got oil in it.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. We don't have dips. Well, that one's got a dipstick, but we don't ever check it.
Yeah.
You know.
We usually like to just take it to one race and we drain the oil out of it because it's got so much methanol on top of it.
Like just driving it down there and back, it's probably full of methanol.
Yeah. But I think that'll be it for today's video. That's
We've done.
take tranny out, replace rear main seal, put it back in, get the shifter working when you test it.
It tests fine.
Tests great.
You need to practice.
Tests great. Doesn't perform when it was driving, so we'll have to figure that out. But maybe I don't have something clicked in the right area.
Man, no telling.
But all right, that'll be it for today's video. So make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll holler at you later.